everyone. My name is Janelle C. Bernal, and today I am diving into something fascinating. It's about how science, technology, and our societies are interconnected to each other, and the importance of studying STS primarily through the lens of medical technology, which is my program. STS, also known as Science, Technology, and Society, is defined as a field of study that examines the complex relationship between science, technology, and human society. The field aims to explore how scientific and technological advancements impacts our culture, which includes our laws, politics, ethics, which enables us to gain knowledge of the effects of science and technology on human societies as both producers and users of science and technology. Thus, here are some situations. First, STS can help us understand on how scientific and technological advancement shapes society and vice versa. For example, in the context of medical technology, studying STS can be an eye opener on how innovations like telemedicine or wearable devices can impact the healthcare delivery and access to care. Thus, STS allows us to think and critically analyze the social, cultural, and economic factors that influence the adoption and implementation of these technologies and also provide insights into a broader social and political climates that enable scientific change. Secondly, FTS also highlights the importance of policies and regulation in government governing technological advancements, especially in my program. Data privacy, cybersecurity, and patient rights are very essential. And by studying STS, individuals and technology related fields can contribute to shaping policies to ensure the responsible use of these technologies. Lastly, STS emphasizes the need for effective communication between healthcare professionals. It encourages the inclusion of diverse perspectives and promotes public participation in decision making, especially in the healthcare industry where informed public understanding is very important. Therefore, I am happy and proud to study STS in this day and age because it helped me understand not only society but also the moral and cultural aspect of technological and scientific programs. It also just shows how scientists have done great things in this day and age, like using stem cells to grow human organs, are some of the examples of the product of studying STS. STS also gives people the information and skills they need to understand the complicated world of medical technology. And knowing how the skills interact is important for making the world healthier and better informed, which supports responsible and innovation.